Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. And we have another What Sold video for you today. It's Saturday morning, I guess, still. And we're going to start pulling what sold for us this Saturday day. And I think we've had pretty good sales. Sales seem to be kicking back up. So I'm going to turn it over to Kathy, and she's going to start picking and pulling what we sold today.
All right. Yep. We are starting in box CT today. We see them cozied up.
It's a little chilly today. He wants to look out the window with a blanket on.
If you're wondering, our trash did not pick up.
Oh.
Apparently that's probably our own fault. We're not reading the website. They just switched management or something. And Black Friday has not been a holiday ever, but apparently now it is for the trash people. So
yeah, our trash company got bought out by another trash company, so they're having some logistical difficulties.
Anyways, the first thing I sold today was this Orvis. It's like a turtleneck wool sweater, 100% wool. That's the main reason I bought it. Orvis, it's okay, does okay for me. The more substantial pieces I do pick up. So yeah, I paid $8.99 for the sweater, and it sold for $34 plus shipping on eBay. And that is going UPS, so I just need to stick it either in a big mailer or maybe one of my eBay boxes. All right, and then I'm going to box A. I like to see his face. Where's your face?
He likes to be under there.
Oh.
Now he's trying to poke his head out.
This is the brand Milo. It's a good kids brand to look out for. Their prints are super vibrant like this, just usually all the way around the shirt. This was just something I bought for my son off Kidizin a while back. Actually, both my kids have worn it. I paid $16.08 for it originally, and then I sold it for $20 plus ship on eBay. So making all my money back and a few extra cents on top.
Very nice.
I'm gonna ship that out in poly mailer.
Poly mailer up.
AO. This is another sale from Destiny's box.
This side. This is what, our second or third thing that we've sold now?
Second thing. And it's the little Barbie shirt.
Awesome.
So, I only found one comp that looked the same, and it was the shirt, but it had a matching pant with it, and that sold for about $9 plus shipping. So I listed this, I think, at $5.95 plus shipping, and it sold in just a couple of days.
Really quick. Our first Barbie item to sell, right?
Yeah. So we do always kind of have a small sale running on eBay, so the buyer paid $5.41 plus shipping. So
sweet.
Yep. Ship that out in a little.
We've sold full-size shirts for less than that.
That's true. Yeah, I was really surprised. I don't know. I was just surprised at how fast it sold.
Yeah. I think the collector market, that stuff can sell really quick. People are wanting it.
Do those last. This was something that Chris picked up, but I listed. Gotta make sure you all know that.
Which is trend. Yeah, thanks to Commonwealth Flipper Picker
it's funny because I was watching one of his videos the other day, and he was like, I love picking up ashtrays, but they don't really sell. He just likes to pick them up. But this one sold in less than 30 days, I would say.
Yeah.
So Chris bought this for $2.50, and it sold for $15 plus shipping on Facebook Marketplace. So surprisingly, it had a lot of likes and stuff on all the platforms. I noticed when I deleted it from the other platforms, especially on Mercari, I think I had 9 likes or something. So I thought that was a lot just for a old ashtray. So
right.
Anyways, that is going out priority mail, but I can't. Our printer cuts off the Facebook top.
Oh, the weight. Yeah.
It's only £1, 3.6. So probably I need to go find some more. One of those square boxes, and then we'll bubble wrap it really
I know
quick.
we have some in our closet up here.
Yeah.
So a little square USPS box for that. And, definitely be on the lookout. There's a McDonald's amber. It's that amber color glass ashtray.
If you find that one.
If you find that one, buy it. It's $200-$300. It's a big bolo.
Yeah, I think a lot of older McDonald's stuff can be worth some money, but definitely that ashtray.
Especially because it's, ashtrays, and, you don't find a lot of ashtrays nowadays. They're not as common as they were back then, especially from somewhere like McDonald's.
All right, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw this last night. Well, probably a couple nights ago once you see this video, but These sold last night on Black Friday night. They are some Skechers. I called them Y2K chunky platform boots. And I picked these up for $9.99 and they sold for $86.13 plus shipping. So
wow.
Really, really good sale. That was probably the sale of the day. Had some pretty good sales today, but yeah, definitely that was a great one. Definitely look out for Y2K type things. Even like if you see a boot like this in the thrift, if it's like Bongo brand, like the cheapy brands even, the people just want the style, not, they didn't buy these because they're Skechers boots. They bought them because they're Y2K style boots. So if you find anything like that, scoop it up.
Because they don't make those right now, right? So you have to buy the older stuff.
They probably will start making them pretty soon because it's...
So things change, you know, we're telling you to be on the lookout for now. But once they start reproducing that kind of stuff, that seems to be what they do.
Yeah.
It's gonna, you know, affect the value of the other stuff. So if you find any right now when we're making this video, check in on it.
This is a pair of Collectibles Oxford shoes. These are kind of cool. These are like a knit fabric. I bought these for $12.99. They sold for $43.50 plus shipping on Facebook Marketplace. Nice little sale. Probably have to get more shoe boxes as well. Running low on everything. All right, see you. Sold these Ultra sneakers. These I picked up for $5.99 and they sold for $26.10 plus shipping. So not huge money, but still pretty decent little sale.
Yeah.
Also, we'll go out in a shoe box, priority shoe box. This is a sale where I'm just kind of cutting my losses. And I'm not losing anything. I just mean like I expected to at least double my money and I didn't. So
yeah.
I bought these I listed them last January 2021. I paid $12.99 for them. They're just Kamek, which it usually sells $35 to $40, and these are better than like the normal ones that I usually sell, so I thought that they would do okay, but they just didn't. The first offer I got on them was $21 on Mercari today, so I accepted, making like $4 or $5 on them, but
yeah,
that's okay. I don't want to keep. I could probably have relisted them. I did notice they were never listed to Facebook Marketplace and stuff like that, but at this point, 11 months later, I don't really even want to do that, and they're getting dusty on top of my shelf, and I need that space for something else that will sell faster.
For sure. There's clearly not that much of a demand for that pair, so our mentality is just get the money we can out of it and then move on to something else.
Yep.
We probably could sell it for more if we hung on to it longer, but who knows? That's the whole bird in the hand is worth more than two in the bush.
I don't want to keep
idea.
That's a lot. Like if I was out $1 on them, I'd probably hold off. But $12.99, I'd rather just get that money back. All right, this is a Marmot, something like that. It's just like a fleece zip-up jacket. It's black, super soft. And I paid $9.99 for this. It sold in a week or so for $35 on Posh. The buyer had gotten the Posher BA offer a couple days ago and then countered me just a little bit lower. The Posher BA offer was $40 with discount shipping, and then they offered $35. So I was happy to accept. Probably would fit in here. I don't know. I'll figure all the boxes out after.
It's Poshmark, so you know, we could use any of those boxes in there that work best.
All right, so this was another one where I was just ready to kind of let it go. Sadly enough, this is the brand Jack Wolf Skin, which this was the first item I ever found by the brand. I'd never heard of it. I could just tell it was a nice jacket. It said something on the inside like tech support or something. It reminded me of like Gore-Tex or something like that. And when I looked up what it was, it is basically it's like a waterproof type fabric, but I think it's like branded specifically for this brand.
I see. So like a knockoff of Gore-Tex kind of thing?
I don't want to call it
or generic.
It's a really good, like this jacket was probably $150+ when, like if you bought it from their site. So it is definitely a nice brand, but I don't think a lot of people know about it or look for it. So.
Well, when you Google tech support, you probably...
tech support.
Oh. I thought you said tech support.
Okay. I was like, what are you talking about? Doesn't make sense.
Well, yeah, my joke is not funny anymore.
It's not funny. It wasn't funny in the beginning. I was like, I don't get what you're going with this. But anyways, yeah, I paid $10.99 for that. I thought I could get 40 to 50, and I just didn't. It's been listed since last November, so a year now. Got an offer for 30. I took it. So doubling my money plus like an extra $1. So good enough with that.
Yeah.
All right. I don't even know if it was actually tech support. It's tech something or other. It's like a waterproof rain fabric.
Gotcha.
Thing. So, anyway.
So you will not be buying it again, though?
I don't know. I probably would.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I'd probably price it a little lower the next time. I priced it really high and never dropped the price. So, this is the brand Smartwool. Great brand to look out for. That's the little logo guy. If you ever see that, it's probably worth getting, even if it has a small hole or something, depending on how much you're going to spend on it. This I only paid $1.50 for, and it sold for $22 with discount shipping on Posh. So someone accepted the Poshmark offer on that. Alrighty, and then last two are the same thing. They sold 2 of them.
2 retail arbitrage items.
Alright, 2 of these, only 1 left. So, one of them sold on Facebook. I don't know which one is. Oh, yes, I do. This one is Facebook because they paid $60 plus shipping. And I have $24.99 into each of them. Yeah, retail arbitrage. So, my hope with these was to at least double up my money, and so far all the ones I've sold I have. The second one sold on eBay for $72.75 plus shipping. So
Sweet.
yeah, definitely good little pickups.
It's interesting when this kind of stuff happens because unrelated sales, and they happened pretty much back to back, didn't
well,
they?
It was weird because, well, yeah, so I woke up, I saw I had the one on Facebook, then I went to eBay to edit the quantity because I didn't want them to, I didn't want somebody
Double
to
sell.
come buy like 3 for
Right.
Christmas presents and I don't have 3 left. So I edited the quantity and then like it sold in a few minutes. So I wonder if me just,
Oh, might have sparked it up.
yeah, like doing activity on the listing did
Right.
something. So that's my guess. But
Maybe it said almost gone or like,
yeah, that's true.
limited quantity left or
Yeah,
something like
There
that.
are some watchers on it, so that's probably it.
Sparked a little fire. So I guess that makes more sense. So yeah, we're gonna get this stuff packed up. You gonna help us today? You're just gonna sleep over there in your comfortable bed. Spoiled, bro. Spoiled boy. We'll be right back after we pack this stuff up. All right, guys, got everything all packed up. Lots of custom boxes here.
That was more challenging than it needed to be. Yeah, we're pretty low on boxes other than, like, we have these, but all the stuff we sold today didn't fit in these.
Yeah.
So, luckily we found some random stuff around the house, but
Made it work.
yeah.
Reese helped too.
Did he? What'd he do? What'd he do?
Here you go, boy.
He's my baby.
I think he wants to go outside.
You wanna go outside?
Go outside?
Okay.
You want to go outside? Okay. Let's close out this video and we'll go outside. So pretty good sales overall for a Saturday. I think we're excited as, I don't know if it was the holidays, Thanksgiving or whatever, but this week's been kind of pitiful in the sales up until recently, so that's pretty good. We're gonna get the stuff off to the post office and UPS. We got to stop by there too, and that's gonna do it for today's sales, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna go let Reese outside because he keeps running around over there. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.